Ta-da! We got the white lights now, which is much more visible from the other side. You can see it all the way over here. All the way over on the other side of the bike. Almost. Go ahead and show you the other side. Bam. Much more visible. Almost, probably more visible than the stock ones. I can almost bet, because I can swing all the way around and still see it. Barely. Almost to the other side. Actually, barely. Probably during the day you can't, but at night you definitely can see it from the other side. This is definitely better than the stock ones. And then, show you what they look like off. Go ahead and get the light. Give me the light. Can barely see him up in there. From back here, you probably can't even tell. They were $15 from AutoZone. Just stuck. They had self-adhesive sticky tape, sort of. And just stick them in there. I wish they didn't have all the little. You could see all the diodes and stuff, but it's okay. And again, just wired them in up and through the fairing. I accidentally went over this piece on accident and wired it, and I was like, no going back now. Don't have any more splicer thingies, so we'll just leave it on top, which is fine. Not a big deal. Just run it under and it goes into the normal in with the rest of it, along with the LEDs on the sides. And then I can just push them up in the back up in here. Wiring's gone, just like so. So that is that. Again, give you one more quick view. Ta-da! Looking damn good if you ask me. Let me put the light on it. Pretty bright. Again, practically from the other side. Switch it. Put my cap back on. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but top on. Ta-da! I think it works pretty good. It's almost better than the integrated lights. Ha! Just kidding. But no, really, it almost is. And that's that.